just wanted to check whether my Jio app offer has been granted or not. I just updated my Jio app, so just open it and check it out whether this offer has been activated in my app or not. Just click it after update. Okay, only after update. I just open my Jio app. My mobile is very slow, so look, I want to say that it's load fast. Look, you are being migrated to Jio Happy New Year offer. So enjoy the unlimited voice calls and SMS with